In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set task template in Asana. Task templates let you standardize repeatable work so your team doesn't reinvent the wheel each time. I'll walk you through logging in, turning an existing task into a reusable template, and then using that template to create new tasks in seconds. Start by opening the Asana login page. Click Continue with Google, then choose your Google account to sign in. If you're already logged in, Asana may take you straight to your home. If prompted, approve access and you'll land in your workspace. Using your organizational Google account keeps things simple and ensures your projects and permissions load correctly. Next, open the project where you want to create the template. From the sidebar or home, select your project to view its task list. Make sure you're in the correct project because task templates are specific to the project where they're created and used. To convert a task into a template, click the task you want to standardize to open its details pane. In the upper right of the task pane, click the three dots to open the Actions menu. Choose Convert To, then select Task Template. Asana will create a template based on the current task, including its description, subtasks, custom fields, and attachments. This is a great moment to ensure the source task is clean and generic. Use placeholder text for titles and avoid personal assignees or specific dates if you want every new task to start neutral. Keeping the content clear and minimal makes the template flexible across different team members and timelines. Now to use that task template in the project, return to the projects list. Find the Add Task button at the top and click the small More Actions arrow beside it. Hover over Task to reveal your available task templates. You'll see the template you just created. Click it. Asana instantly adds a new task pre-filled with all the details from the template. From here, edit what's unique, rename the task, assign it to the right person, set due dates, and update any custom fields without rebuilding the structure each time. This keeps your process consistent while saving a lot of setup time. If you don't see the template, make sure you're in the same project where you created it and that you have permission to use templates. Templates live at the project level, so they'll appear only where they were created. That's it. Log in, open your project, convert a well-structured task to a template, and then access it from the Add Task menu whenever you need a consistent starting point.